don't know if you can hear it, but I'm laying in bed and enjoying the sound of rain on my roof. Can you hear it? I love that sound. It's perfect for cuddling and taking afternoon naps, but preferably taking an afternoon nap while cuddling. I'm being so lazy today. I was out really late last night, so I'm kind of a mess. But anyway, I hope everyone's having a great, great, great Sunday. Hopefully a lazy Sunday. Unless you don't want it to be a lazy Sunday, then I hope it's a productive Sunday. I'm just going to lay here and listen to the rain. It's kind of going away. Maybe it'll come back.